What is in my wallet? This is how it looks like. It is a small wallet, but what exactly is in here? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my wallet. I thought it will be a fun kind of curious videos and a little bit of suspense thriller. Curiosity is what led you here. So let's open this thing up. So once you open it, you can see my Topgolf card, my Crypto.com card, and my Visa card. Then if you flip it this way, you can see this many stuff, which is money. And there's this thing right here, which is a lottery ticket. I always get one because you don't even know when you're gonna be winning it. So just for the sake of it, I like to get one. Let's see how much money is in my wallet. So we're gonna be taking it out. And this is how much money is in my wallet. So we have a $1 bill, we have another $1 bill, which is $2. Then we have a $5 bill, which is $7. Then we have a $10 bill, making it $17. Then I have two $20, making it $57 in my wallet as cash. So I'm gonna put that back in. This is my card section. So I have my Topgolf card. I like to go golfing, so I have my Topgolf card. Then I like to go to the movies, so I have my Escape movie rewards card. This is my Cash App metal card. It is a Visa card. Listen to this. This is pure metal from Cash App. If you don't have Cash App, use the link in my description, get yourself Cash App, and start investing in stocks and start sending money to your friends that you owe money to. After that, I have my Crypto.com Visa debit card. I get back money whenever I use this card. Purchase anything. I also get Spotify 100% back in cryptocurrency. If you don't have Crypto.com, use the link in my description. This is my last metal card. It is an Apple card and it's by Goldman Sachs. It's also a MasterCard. It's a pretty cool card. Those three are my three metal cards that I have. Then I have a Save 20 Circle K gas card. I can save 20 cents this whole month using Circle K's card before I pay in any pump of Circle K, of course. Then this is my only credit card that I have right now. I will be expanding my credit and everything in the future. This is where I started. This is the best place to start. And you get up to 5% on selected categories every quarter. And it's the best credit card for beginners. Link is in my description. Sign up and you could get some money as credit. Basically free. And this is my last and final card that I have, which is my bank card. I like to keep that one a little personal because it has numbers everywhere. And I don't know what kind of people are watching my videos. Well, there you go. If you use my link in the description below, you could be earning some money. You could also be helping out this small channel. I like to keep everything real. And if you are new, hit the subscribe button because this is the only channel on YouTube that will be talking as real as possible. No faking, no gimmicking, everything the truth. Subscribe if you're new, like and share if you like me a little bit. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.